Hello friends, welcome to class 7th SS lesson number 6 Mughal Empire Golden Age and Downfall. Palak and his family went to a tour and taking a snaps during the tour to her and showing to her class teacher, and one question was written under each picture, and looking at the one picture teacher is asked a question. Why is this lady in the picture pulling the chain of the bell? The teacher answered that these pictures gave a glimpse of the system of justice during the Jahangir's period. And today we will get information about the different Mughal rulers and Mughal dynasty. Jahangir ascended the throne of the Delhi and Mughal kingdom was extended far wide during his period. There was peace in the state after him during the Shah Jahan's rule. Many monuments were built. Many of them is still today world famous, unparalleled magnificence work done. Mughal dynasty was stabilized during that time. Later on, Aurangzeb rule and empire extended but lead to the fail of the empire too. Let us learn some more points about it. Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb's period. Jahangir's time was noted in 1605 CE to 1627. After the demise of Akbar, his son Salim acquainted the name of Jahangir means the conqueror of the world and ascended throne. Prince Khusro revolted against him, so Jahangir imprisoned him. Jahangir accused Sikh Guru Arjan Singh helping of Khusro and sentenced him to death. During Jahangir's time, Hawking and Thomas Roe visited India as a representatives of the King of England and sought the permission to trade in India. Jahangir's wife Noor Jahan was very beautiful and ambitious, and most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by her. This was the story. Shah Jahan believed that agriculture is a fundamental to prosperity of a nation. Afterwards, Shah Jahan started his kingship. So he gave primary importance to the agriculture and continued the Akbar's land revenue system. Students, please note that the generation of the revenue system which was practiced during the Akbar time also continued during the Shah Jahan's time. He appointed honest and hard-working officers, so his revenue is increased. Shah Jahan established a new city near Delhi and named it Shah Jahanabad and constructed many grand buildings there. In comparison to others, Mughal Empire income and revenue was more during the Shah Jahan's time. Shah Jahan constructed world famous monuments like Taj Mahal, Diwan-e-Am, Diwan-e-Khas, Red Fort, Rang Mahal, Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid of Delhi, etc. After his rules ended, Aurangzeb came in 1658 and continued till 1707. He was very extraordinarily sharp and well versed in Arabic and Persian languages and studied the religion book Quran Sharif in the detail. Aurangzeb disliked art, music and painting. Veer Durgadas waged a prolonged war with Aurangzeb for 25 years in order to free the Marwar. Aurangzeb was also fought against the Shia states of Bijapur, Golconda in the south for 25 years. In Maharashtra, Shivaji established Maratha kingdoms, and South India had a constant conflicts with Aurangzeb. The Jat and Sikhs also revolted against the Aurangzeb. After knowing these incidents, we shall more talk about the social life of that time in our next session. Thank you, students. We will continue afterwards with the social life.